So in this video, we'll see how we can set a minimum order amount in your WooCommerce website. You can see your currently order is $19. Minimum order amount would be $20. Below it, you can't place the order. So if you want to set in your website for free, I will show you how you can set up it. Let's go. So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of my WordPress. Now, as you can see for my WooCommerce, I can here you can see I can order even for $20, $10, whatever amount I want. But it's not good for the business. Like I want to set minimum amount. Like my product is very of less prices. So I want to set minimum amount like below $20 or $10. You can't place a order. So here you can see I can there is no minimum order amount. I can place order even for $5, $10 product. So to set what we gonna do, go on your admin dashboard, go here in appearance page, go on theme file editor. We will add some code. Here go in your theme. You can select your child theme. Now go on function.php file, just simple. Now here, wherever you scroll down or in scroll down, we will add a code here through which you can set up. So here, this is the code I'm talking. Set minimum order amount for checkout. This is the code you need to write. I will add the link from where you can directly copy and paste this code. If you want to understand it, here you can see I set the minimum of $50, but I want update to $20. Whatever you want to set, you can set from here. Then this will the message that will be show. If you want to update the message, you can update from here directly. These two messages you can update. That's very simple code that you need to understand. Set the minimum amount and set the message here and here, whatever you want to display, and just update the file. I will add the link from where you can directly copy and paste the code. Here this is the code. I will add the link of this website from where you can directly copy and paste it. Now I have saved it. Now let's go to website. Here this is of $15. I will go on cart, go on checkout. Let's try to place order. It's of $19 and we have set the minimum amount to $20. Now let's try to place order. Here you can see your current order is $50. You must need a minimum of $20 to place it. Now if I update my cart, proceed to checkout, you can see now I can able to place my order without any warning. So that's all. You can set minimum order without using plugin. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.